Introduction. Hello friends, let's sing together. Rules, rules, safety rules. These always help us to stay happy and cool. Hey, let's learn about these safety rules. Objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to list safety rules, define first aid, describe the method of administering first aid. Friends, we all enjoy walking, playing, riding and swimming. These activities keep us fit and fine. But sometimes we hurt ourselves while doing these activities. So, we all must follow some safety rules to keep ourselves safe. Playing outdoors keeps us healthy. But sometimes mishaps may occur while playing outdoors. The mishaps can be avoided by following some simple rules, such as: first, you should never play on roads. Always prefer playing in the playground. Wear shoes. Follow rules of the game. Do not cheat. Do not fight while playing. Walking on road is fun if we follow some simple rules. These are: you should always go out with your parents. Hold their hand tightly. Walk on footpath and do not run on roads. Always prefer zebra crossing while crossing the road. Keep distance from running vehicles. We should always follow traffic lights when on road. These are made for our safety. Let us learn what they indicate. The red light says, stop, 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 don't be in a hurry. Green light says, go ahead, there is no threat. And yellow light says, be ready to stop, slow down, and don't hop. Let's play a game to see what you have learned. Place a tick sign for what we should do and cross sign for what we should not do. Swimming is a good exercise if we do it with care. The following are some tips on safety swimming. Always wear swimsuit. Avoid drinking pool water. Do take a bath after swimming. Do not swim directly after eating. We use bus to go from one place to another. A ride by bus is exciting if we keep in mind the following rules. Make a line to get into the bus. No coercive power should be used while getting into the bus. Allow the bus to stop before you get into it. Do not get down from a moving bus. Do not put your head or arms from the moving bus. Fire gives us light and helps us to cook food. It can also cause burns if we do not use it with care. So, you should not play with matchsticks. You should not light firecrackers yourself. Do not go close to fire. A small test to check your knowledge. Click on the true button for true statements and false button for false statements. Some tools like knives, power tools and scissors are very useful to us. We should handle them with care to keep ourselves safe. Never play with them. They are not toys. Do not put your fingers near switch on off buttons. Do not play with electric wires. Sometimes, even if we are careful, mishaps occur and we hurt ourselves. In that case, we need first aid. Curious to know? What is first aid? The first medical help given to a person in need is called first aid. Remember last time when you fell from your bicycle, what did your father do? Yes, he washed your wound with water and then cleaned it with an antiseptic solution. He then wound a bandage around the wound. This helps the wound to heal up quickly. So friends, if you want to save yourself from pain, follow the safety tips. Let's arrange the following first aid steps in sequence by giving them numbers. Summary. Let's review what we have learned. We all should follow some simple rules to be safe while playing, walking, swimming, and traveling by bus. Sometimes when any mishap occurs, we need first aid. The first medical help given to a person in need is called first aid.
Introduction. Avinash is jogging in a park. He notices some elderly men performing yoga. They first take a deep breath and inhale. After a while, they exhale. He finds the pattern of inhalation and exhalation interesting to watch. He then hears someone practicing drums. The beats of the drum also follow a rhythmic pattern. In this lesson, you will learn about patterns. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify patterns in shapes and numbers, complete patterns involving numbers and shapes, understanding patterns. Look at this arrangement of rings. A blue ring is followed by a yellow ring followed by a red ring. This arrangement is repeated 3 times. When objects are repeated in a definite order, they form a pattern. Look at one more arrangement. In this arrangement, 2 standing lines are followed by a sleeping line. Then, again 2 standing lines are followed by a sleeping lion. This is also a pattern. Pattern in shapes. Look carefully at this pattern. A shape is placed in sleeping position first and then in standing position. These positions are repeated in the same order many more times. Now look at this arrangement of triangles and circles. Can we call it a pattern? No, we can't, because the shapes do not repeat in a definite order. Patterns in nature. Look around and you will find many patterns in nature. Look at this rose garden. The gardener has planted the roses to form a pattern. Here, a white rose follows a pair of red roses. Look at rainbows. The order of colors in every rainbow is the same. Number patterns. There can be patterns in numbers as well. Let us look at 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. The numbers are not the same. Still, we call it a pattern. Can you see why? Yes, the difference between any 2 numbers placed after one another is the same. Let us look at another number pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Can you see why this arrangement of numbers is a pattern? You are right. The difference between any 2 consecutive numbers is 5. We can also say that we get the next number by adding 5 to the previous number. Patterns with increasing and decreasing shapes. We can form patterns by increasing and decreasing the number or size of shapes. Let us see how. Look at this arrangement of shapes. 1 circle followed by 2 circles, followed by 3 circles and so on. This is a pattern because the circles increase in a definite order. Look at one more arrangement of shapes. 5 large beetles followed by 4 smaller beetles, followed by 3 even smaller beetles and so on. This is also a pattern because the number and size of the beetles decreases in a definite order.